name's Amrit and I'm the director of my own company, Amrit Beauty, which is situated in Marble Arts, Central London. I started this with the help of my mum, Joshiv, who started this industry 35 years ago.
He is my junior Joshiv.
I'm now following her footsteps, and thanks to her, I'm doing what I love the best. I've worked with Britney Spears, Kim Kardashian, I've done Hrithik Roshan, Priyanka Chopra and Aishwarya Rai. I can give a girl a very unique look, the red carpet look, the very smoky eye look, or the very Hollywood look that's going on. Makeup is like art, so when I see and meet people, I love doing different art for them. I do training and bridal work, so I do the bride, I ask them to come in for a consultation first, then we do onto the trial, and then we move on to the wedding look. For the training, I do 5 or 10 days course, and I do makeup with smoky eyes, Arabic eyes. So when you come to Amrit Beauty, you'll have one-on-one training with myself, so I teach the basics to professional. They get my passion, they know that I'm very creative and very dedicated with my work. I like to give each bride a unique look, so I don't like to repeat that on every bride. Every bride has its own inner beauty, which I like to make that come out. So we do the mehndi function, and then we do the registry, the wedding, and then moves on to the reception, and I like to create different looks for each function. I love the family's reaction to it. Seeing my work on her and the happiness on her face gives me everything. Watching my mum doing this since I was young, this is the only thing I've found to do and love. And they say if you love your job, you can be successful at it, and that's what I do.
I really love the course.
I've learned so much in the space of 5 days with knowledge that could take me forever in my makeup career.